All right, welcome back to Orange Studios. I am Inchiga, and then today we are not going to do a tutorial. I'm going to just take you along the process of branding a bus. So I call this brand the bus with me. I want you to have a look at some simple ways of branding a bus or a car, and then how the car looks when it is unbranded. The process we go through branding the bus, spraying it, um, installing the vinyl and all of that on it. So have a look at this, and if you want me to do a proper tutorial on how to brand a bus, give me a like or drop a comment. State anything you see or any concern. Let me have a look at it and I will address it. But for now, enjoy the finished branding of a bus with bid for GH1 TV right here in Ghana. Enjoy.